Hello friends, this is the second lesson in the series of Subconscious Mind series. I have discussed earlier about the human body constituting various cells, then within the cells large number of atoms and the spaces between nucleus and roaming around electrons and the spaces being occupied within the atom. Now I would like to discuss today, which is also very important. I'll cover only important organs of the human body because it's difficult, and I will not make hard for a normal person to understand. So I'll briefly discuss about the important organs, then I'll come to the subject itself. So first of all, today I'm discussing about the functioning of the brain. You know, the brain is very important organs of the human body. It's the headquarter. Everything is being decided from the brain. So let us discuss about the functioning of the brain. This is brain. It is about in the weight of 3 pounds. It has 100 billion cells, which are called neurons, and more than 100 trillion of connection in between, which are connecting these neurons with each other. So very strange type of, very intricate and strange type of network it is. Now the functioning about the brain, that is very important. I have shown you the brain, which consists of 2 hemispheres. One is the left hemisphere and second is the right hemisphere. So what happens in the left hemisphere, though these are within 2 separate compartments, but functionally they are not independent, they are dependent upon each other. Mainly in the left hemisphere, which is very prominent, the functioning of logic, mathematics, word writing, sequencing, such type of activities is being conducted in the left hemisphere. And in the right hemisphere, which is mainly attached with emotions, there is activity of feeling, visualization, imagination, intuition, rhythm, holistic thinking, religious thinking, and particularly fine arts. So there is a dichotomy of functions between 2 hemispheres. One is logical and other is emotional. Mainly we use the functional activity of our left brain, that is the logical brain. But you know, when there is added activity of the right brain, for example, there is a mathematical question, you're trying to solve it. It's difficult for you to solve it. You are trying again and again, but it's not being solved. You know what happens? Then there is a role of your right hemisphere. You get emotionally charged. Whatsoever may come, I will solve this question. When there is added activity of the emotions within this, the question is solved. So my saying about this is that whenever there is a need, the emotions also take part in the activity of the human brain. That is why when we are measuring about the activity of left brain is measured in intelligent quotient, but the activity of the right human brain, the emotional brain, is also measured in the form of emotional intelligence. So both of these constituents of the brain are necessary for the functioning of the human brain. So from this we advance further. There are 5 senses present in the body: the sense of vision, sense of hearing, sense of taste, sense of smell, sense of touch. So wherever there is touching of an object or feeling of an object or the sight of an object which is fearful, which is a danger to your personality, the functioning of the brain immediately come into action. So from these senses there are sensory nerves which feed the brain, and from the brain decision is taken immediately, and motor activity of the human body come into action. Your muscles, activity of the eyes, hearing, your decision to run out, such type of actions are immediately taken out. So what type of nervous system take part in these activities? Because putting stress on such type of preliminary things, because later on I am to make you understand that there are various type of nervous system in the body, not only central nervous system or spinal nervous system. There are other nervous system, and most importantly is sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Here is the point where we observe the outside activities of the world which affects us, and by affecting us it influences the subconscious mind, and subconscious mind takes the activity further. So I think I will stop my lesson here. We will proceed bit by bit. You must watch all the lessons, and I would request you to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you will be able to see the lessons of the further series. Thank you.